morning, guys. So today we are going to be doing theirs. So at Lowe's, but we might do theirs before then. Might ride in cars and to be awesome.
We might even do some clips at Smith's or what. We don't know.
No.
Okay.
Well,
Okay, now.
peace.
God. We're in a shopping cart. Lowe's. Not even sure if it's No. Dude, don't. Dude, this is just so weird.
Excuse me.
That way. Nope. Wrong way, wrong way, wrong way.
Dude, I should have this like this. I'd be like,
Do you want to go that way? Dude, guys, this is so risky. So much glue this week. I don't like.
dude, it's such a weird movie.
This is. Can we get a different cart then?
Yeah.
I don't like these carts.
Wait, do you see your tracks up there? Is that a Wrigley?
Yes. All right, guys. So we're getting a new cart. We're gonna get it.
Oh, we're good. Sorry.
Okay. So I jumped to a jump cut. I just accidentally stopped the camera. That way. My camera keeps stopping for some reason.
Sorry. Stay right there.
Alright guys, so now we're just toilets.
Is your toilet? No.
Now we're in the car.
Oh crap. Pause it.
Guys, we're going fast. We're gonna make fart noises whenever there's a worker.
Anytime a shoe.
Guys, so now we're gonna go. Oh, whoa, dude! It just feels so sketch when it's like in this. When like we're with this coat on my back, then it feels like really sketchy. Dude, hopefully the camera heard it. If it did, we're gonna have an instant replay, dude. But did you actually fart or was that a fake? Oh. Nope. It's green. What? Hurry, when I fart, then hurry.
Just gotta go poo. Put the camera on.
stopping? Oh shoot!
Dude, my shoes slide when I try to stop.
Dude. Oh shoot!
Get that on camera.
Yes. No, no, no! Stop! 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 Oh, we're making.
Ready?
Try riding. What happened?
Knock that over. Ready?
Yeah, nice job. Through there, through there. Ah! Ah! Wait, oh, hello. That way. There you.
I wanted to see some.
Oh, oh.
I want to see something.
Okay, watch me. Ah! Once again, you did a great job. Ah! Hey, Sherlock, stop.
Hold on, dude. Hold on. Hold on.
Like, hold on, like literally.
I'm gonna see that snow.
Oh crap, we're gonna get through this snow. Ah! Oh! Oh! We just wait for snow, dude.
Do you work here?
Yeah, we're making fart noises.
My voice coming back? You're just roaming, as you can tell. And here's Luke.
You don't hold
Yeah.
it like that.
Hold on, Luke.
Ah! 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 Oh my god! Oh, stop! Oh, shit! Stop! No, stop! Oh!
That's called
I,
crazy driving there.
I hate you.
Oh shoot, we're stuck in it.
I hate you so much now. Stop doing that. He's gonna run me over. Caution, wet floor. Dude!
crash course, guys.
Go through there and go to the Christmas stuff. Oh. Ah! No, not fast. Not fast, dude. I asked not fast. Go to that stuff over there. Baby Jesus.
Yep. Here's all of this stuff.
Hey, buddy. Yeah. Wait, look.
We normally live in these. So I'm gonna have to get another month. There's somewhere.
Get inside. Get inside. I want to be inside now. We're getting inside fast. That way. Yes, that's what we're doing. Okay, keep going.
Sorry.
Stop.
That's weird.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
You did that on purpose.
Maybe. Hold this. I don't know how this is gonna work. Let go.
Oh, wow, I buy a new car for the bitch, for real. I tear down the mall with the bitch, for real. You can't even talk to the bitch, nah. She fucking with bosses and shit, oh god. I pull up in Rarers and shit, with choppers and Harleys and shit, for real. I be Gucci down.